Ladies and gentlemen, my name Hari Purnomo. I write this paper with my promoter, Mrs. Ina Primiana Sinar, Mr. Fani Cahyandito, and Mrs. Janasari. We are from Universitas Pajajaran. My paper is commitment relation to competitive advantage via GSGM on fuel retail industry in Indonesia. Here is our background on our study. This is the condition of fuel retail in Indonesia. Competition between Pertamina gas station and foreign gas station is getting tighter after the implementation of government policy on subsidized fuel limitation. The competition is not only about the variety of the product, but also related to the service that the gas station provide. The result of research conducted by Nielsen 2008 state that the customer satisfaction and loyalty are closely related to commitment in fuel retail industry. According to the result of the research, we can see that an average customer satisfaction index is 3.9. Customer trust ability rate is 85%, and the propensity to stay is 44%. Commitment is important for fuel gas industry. Commitment level of the industry of business partner is very important to the decision running the business. Result of survey conducted by ASI Nielsen in 2017 regarding by tendency of business partner to continue to collaborate with company in the retail in fuel retail industry in Indonesia obtained an average index of 47%. Ministry of Environment does company performance rating program, which monitor related activities in order to controlling pollution and environmental damage, as well as managing hazardous and toxic waste. Indonesia has a commitment to reduce emission by 29% by 2030 as stated in the Paris Agreement. Indonesia is one of 7 countries which use around 88 fuel. The fuel retail industry need to create a competitive advantage that is for its business. Competitive advantage is company's ability to achieve economic benefit above the profit that can be achieved by the competitors in the market in the same industry, according Porter 2008. Why we need of this study? The first one is enactment of Undang-Undang Migas number 22 of 2001, which enable local and international company to sell fuel in Indonesia. The second one is competition in fuel retail Indonesia. Fuel retail industry in Indonesia is getting tighter. Indonesia is one of 7 countries which still use around 88 fuel. Low performance of local company, and in 2013, Petronas closed their gas station in Indonesia. That's why we need a model to increase the business competitive advantage and considering the green aspect. This is some from gap phenomena. In theory, GSGM affect competitive advantage, according by Rao and Ho 2005 and Yang et al. 2013. But in empirical, selling of environment-friendly product does not attract the customer. Commitment in theory affect GSGM, according Ukpabi et al. 2015, and need higher level of commitment to get the competitive advantage, according Kakeres and Paparaudamis 2007 and Fawcett et al. 2008. But in empirical, effect index of continuing the cooperation is only 47%. Therefore, we need to see the relation of commitment with GSCM and competitive advantage in fuel retail industry in Indonesia. Here are our literature review. Commitment is long-term orientation relationship, including the desire to maintain the relationship. Here are the dimension and the indicators. GSCM is the integration of environmental issue, corporate environmental management practices into supply chain management. Here are the dimension and the indicators that we use. And then competitive advantage is ability to understand and respond to change in market structure so as to create a position above its competitors. Here are the dimensions and the indicators. Here is our research paradigm. And then our research methodology. Our main data in this research is collected by doing survey. The technique sampling we use simple random sampling. Determination of the minimum sample require using the Slovin formula, assuming a tolerable sampling error rate of 5%, which is the result is 345, but we managed to collect 640 respondents. So our sample size is 640 gas station. Here is our findings. Here is the character of our respondent about gender, age, education, and experience. Here is the description of GSC commitment. Here is the description of GSCM, which is good. And then here is the description of competitive advantage, which is also good. This slide shows that the exogenous research measurement model is appropriate, and all exogenous constructs have good construct validity and reliability. And then this slide shows about our endogenous research measurement model is appropriate, and all endogenous constructs have good construct validity and reliability. Here's our structural model. The first equation shows that the direction of the commitment relationship with GSCM is positive, with a total effect R square 0.71. The second equation, the direction of the relationship between commitment and GSCM with competitive advantage is positive, with a total R square 0.87. The third equation can be explained that the direction of the commitment relationship with competitive advantage is positive, with total of R square 0.69. The fourth equation shows that the direction of relationship between GSCM and competitive advantage is positive, with total effect R square 0.71. This slide shows as a significant relationship, since T count is bigger than T table. It also shows that GSCM is a complementary mediation, or GFCM as a reinforcement of the existing connection. Our conclusion are, the first one is GSGM is affected by commitment, and then competitive advantage is affected by GSGM, and then competitive advantage is affected by commitment. The last one is competitive advantage is affected by GSGM, which is supported by good commitment. Thank you for the attention. This is my presentation.